Set to go now, race number 11, Santa Ana Park Special Race. And they're on the way. Top Spin draws for your lead. Superior Arc is running by the rail. Madam Rhea comes next, moving up on the outside. Gross Income moving up Paris Melody, and Niagara Boogie is in behind them, heading towards the 600. Superior Arc by about 4 lengths. Top Spin, Gross Income moving up to take second as they rounded a 600 meters pole. Superior Arc still leading the field, followed now by Gross Income. Top Spin racing in third. Madam Rhea moving up on the outside. Paris Melody, Niagara Boogie, and into the home stretch. Superior Arc still leading the field. Gross Income, Niagara Boogie, Madam Rhea moving up on the outside. Together is Top Spin. Madam Rhea now the leader, followed by Gross Income, Top Spin, and finally Madam Rhea, Top Spin, Gross Income, Niagara Boogie, Superior Arc, and Paris Melody.